You see your charger plugged in. It's red, which means charging. Green means charged. Be disconnected until you're ready to cut grass. So we're gonna disconnect it here. Put this little cap on the end of the charger. Hang this there. Hop on. So, over here you have your brake and your clutch. You have to push this in order to turn the key to start it.
Okay.
So that pushed in. This round knob here is your choke. You want to pull it out and then turn the key over here until it starts. And then push in the choke after it starts. Okay, so after it started, your key, after you let go of the starting and you let go of the key, and the engine's running, turn the key one notch backward to the left, one notch. That will let you cut grass in reverse. If you don't do that, as soon as you go in reverse with the blade spinning, it'll shut down. Okay? So on your key, on your little key, ignition key, you've got stop. You've got stop. And then you've got basically cut in reverse. You've got on, then you've got start.
Understood.
Okay? Now this only has to be there when you're cutting in reverse. If you leave it here, you can back up in reverse as long as the blade's not engaged.
How do you know when the blade is engaged?
This button right here, it says basically off is push down, on is pull up. So that right there means the blade's engaged. You'll hear it go. Okay? Push it in and the blade disengages.
Understood.
So over here is your height, your cut height. Depending on I mean, typically I cut my house around 2.5 to 3. I cut your lawn out there on 3.5 because it was so high. I'll probably go back and cut it at 3 because it's not out of control. But it's out of control like it was, definitely 3.
Why not 2.5?
2.5? All depends. You don't want to cut it too low. So we can try it. If you want to get off this and not restart it, if the blade is turned off, you push in your clutch and this little red knob here, you pull up and then it locks the brake. Now you can get off, the mower will keep running.
So you're just moving something or...
Right.
Okay.
Exactly. And then just push on the brake and it disengages.
It disengages the red thing?
What the hell is that one? Yeah, it disengages the red.
Okay.
And then on this side, you've got basically forward and reverse. The further you push it, the harder you push it, the faster you're going to go in either direction. There's no change in gears. You got hour meter here. You've got your headlight switch there. It's always a good idea before you start it, check your oil, which is right here. And if you haven't started the mower yet,
it's right where? I'm sorry, I'm trying to get around to you.
it's right here.
Yes.
If you haven't, it's best to, before you even start the motor, check the oil because you don't have to clean the dipstick. You just pull it out and you can just look at it. In this case, it's right at full. If you start the mower first, then you gotta wipe the rag. But if you don't, you just pull it out and look at it.
What kind of oil does it take?
Oh, probably like 30 weight. Straight
Okay.
30 weight. So you got your battery, which is right here, which is a scooter battery. Terminals are good. That's pretty much it. So I'll get it started and we'll take it outside.
I did good when I bought the lawnmower, huh?